What's good, YouTube? Feel better to be back. And today's vlog is gonna consist of how to shoot content. And I wanna show y'all how to do it if you don't have anybody, if you don't either have the money or you just don't have anybody around that want to or can help you. So for the most part, I'm gonna be doing everything on my own today. I'm gonna bring along one friend, just to help me with a hand and hold the vlogging camera. But I was also thinking next time I want to show you guys how you could do this without anybody at all. Because I would put this vlogging camera right on my head, and as I'm shooting, it's going to be shooting as well. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, check me out later. I can't wait to show y'all what this whole video will consist of. And also a checklist. It's always that one thing you forget, you know what I mean? Like you get there and be like, oh, I forgot the charger. Oh, I forgot something. You always forget something. So always make sure you have a checklist so you don't forget nothing. But I'll be back with y'all soon. So guys, these next two clips, I actually forgot to turn my mics on, so I will be having voiceovers. I just got my brand new DJI mic, so, took me a little while to understand and keep reminding myself to make sure you turn them on every time you record. But right here, I'm just packing the car, and we about to get ready to go pick up our model and our assistant, and we about to get to it. So, as y'all can see, we just arrived. We about to get unpacked, get ready. Our model's about to pull up, and we about to get started. But as y'all can see, I'm not talking because, again, I forgot to start recording, which sucks because this was the best part of the video. It was like a 20-minute long session. And then my guy pulled up. Shout out Neef, Philly-based designer, model. You see the drip, go check him out. So again, of course you can't hear him, but bro was talking that shit, letting him know what he does, who he is, and what we about to do, just give me all that sauce. So right now, just had to fast forward the little drip check, make sure, the sizing and everything's right according to what we planned. If you give it a few seconds, we about to start. Now that the drip check is done, I'm just going over a few different poses, going over a few videos I already sent him, just so he's comfortable and I know what's going on. But over the next 15, 20 seconds, we're just trying to find where to shoot exactly. For photography and videography, you obviously need good lighting. So, I'm about to fast forward that till we get to our first location. So our first location was found, and this was our still on-body photos on the model. And you guys gotta also remember, the whole point of this video was to do everything on a budget, straight from an iPhone. You guys do not need top quality cameras. I've had it all, I've done it all, I've used the best equipment, the best people, and I'm telling you guys, my whole point of this was to show you, you can literally do everything yourself with your iPhone. It's really not that hard, as long as you get the concept of, again, lighting and knowing how to use the controls and on the iPhone. As you can see here, I click the screen and then adjust the light and just make sure the lighting is right. And it's really, other than that, just make sure your subject is centered. And really, that's really all it takes, honestly. Oh, and there's also one other thing that I didn't mention yet. When being a photographer or shooting anything for your brand, make sure the model is always comfortable. You could see it on her face, you could see it in the photos if, they just weren't comfortable in what they were wearing. Make sure the people you get, they would actually wear these products. Like I barely had to I barely had to tell bro what to put on. I literally said, bro, these are the products we shooting, and I believe in your drip, and this is the whole reason why I got you, because, you're somebody that I know would wear something like this. But again, back to being comfortable. Make sure you always help your model. Make sure you give them poses. Make sure you tell them, lean this way. It shows the jacket better, or put your head up, because, it just makes the photo look better. So again, make sure they're comfortable, and it helps with the photos and it helps with the model. So as I told you guys in the beginning, we were doing a few different things today. We were doing 2 reels. We were doing on body shots on the model. And then I wanted to do the on the floor flats, which I might or might not get to fit in this video. I really want to, because I don't want to make it its own separate video. So hopefully I get to squeeze that in before I drop this video. But again, back to what I was saying, two reels, on body photos on the model, and then on the floor flats. So we had 4 different things we had to do today. So this is step 1 being done. We had to do it for 4 different jackets, so I don't want to sit here and repeat the same process for everyone. So I'm just going to go through the first jacket so you guys just get the idea. And then eventually the reels are going to come out, and you know, the photos and everything, and you guys that did see this will see, you know, the outcome of everything. So stay tuned. Again, this is the next drop we're having, beginning of October. Y'all don't want to miss this. We're going to re-release these jackets for the last time, and yeah, hope to see y'all in them. As y'all can see, this is our second location. So happened to be good lighting, and I wanted to make these photos like natural, like not super professional and edited. Like I wanted you to feel like we literally just got out the car and took this pic. So when we seen the Mozzie, I was like, oh, let's shoot in front of the Mozzie, give us some natural photos, because I feel like lately Instagram has been pushing more organic content. So guys, I'm gonna speed up the rest of this shoot right here in this location, and then right after this we're gonna go to our other location that's going to be in the elevator. We're going to make a reel. Each time he comes out the elevator, he's going to have a different outfit on. So you guys are going to see that process right now. So let's get it. Say hi to the camera lady. All right, bro, I'm ready when you are. Come out, flex, do your thing, give me a turn around, go back in. Ready. Go ahead. It's funny because it closed when I was there. Yo, that. Right, so how do we... you know what it is? Just go that way. Just walk off. Just walk off. Do your spin and go that way. That was cool. Perfect. All right, now let's go knock this guy out. I'm glad you said both, because that's just more content to post now.
Yeah, sure. That's awesome.
All right, so you already got the yellow one, so we can take this one away. All right, boom. I guess, bro, when you walk up
without it on and have it hanged up, and when I touch it,
oh, it's on you, we be like, boom.
Right.
Somehow we gotta just, when you know what I mean, go on some shit like that.
Right.
All right, cool. Hang. Well, it don't matter either way, bro.
Right.
Yeah. Throw it over there. All right, cool.
Right, so I'm gonna like.
So you're gonna literally just walk in the frame.
Some shit like walk up. And I'm gonna touch it.
And then fall back a little bit, yeah. And then we're gonna get you like, boom, and it's gonna be already on you. But always have that like fumble motion and then get solid. So when I cut it up, it looked like you're actually falling somehow. Yeah, exactly, yup, perfect. See, that's why you get certain people for a certain job. All right, I'm ready when you are.
Oh, you got screen action or something?
Go ahead, whenever, bro. It's rolling. Action. Nah, do it again. I need more energy. More energy. Walk up regular, like you picking that off the mall showroom. Oh, this fire, boom. Nah, here, look. Look, I'm gonna show you. Nah, no, yeah, nah. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna like it shocked you. You know, if you grab something, you're like, what the fuck? So just walk over and be like, you know what I mean? And then now you could put it on, but have that same momentum like right here. Like when you put it on, just be like, oh, you know what I mean? Yeah, go. Now just flex. All right, perfect. Next color. Well, I guess outfit change, yeah. Nah, that was perfect. Got you. And yeah, let's go back to the car so you can change. Whatever, bro. It's up to you.
You get the right people in your shit. Pay for some good head.
Yeah, no, that's what it is. That's what I'm working on now. Just getting my shit on the right influencers, trying to, you know, organic marketing and then paid marketing, you feel me? After that, it's like, that's really it. If you're doing everything else right, as far as the designs and, I mean, like, and I feel like that part we got in the bag already, like. Yeah, them Jones hard. I fuck with them. I just got me, yo, it's funny. Remember, I wore the black ones yesterday. The twos, I feel like people don't be on the twos no more. Pick your head up so I can see the devil ears. And look straight. Down a little bit. Right there. Lift your arms just regular, straight. Like down. Yup. Yup. Cool, bro. We Gucci. Elevator, we done. I appreciate you. Oh, you said my battery's dying? Yeah, I was gonna say it's cool. We probably got enough anyway. We're wrapping it up. I'm gonna change the battery, and we're gonna shoot the flash later. So you can end it.